Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the last 2 months worth of Petit Vour boxes and also showing you what I got in my little mini Petit Vour haul. So if you would like to see all of that, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so it's been a little bit since I've done a Petit Vour unboxing. The time has just gotten away from me, but I have 2 boxes from them. One is the December box and then one is the January box, so I figured I would unbox them for you guys for Veganuary. And then I also got a little extra stuff that I bought, so I just figured I'd just do a whole big Petit Vour haul, including all of the stuff. So yeah, but before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Michelle, and I post videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, all sorts of stuff. I'm kind of a jack of all trades. So if you're into literally anything, I would love it if you would consider subscribing and ringing the bell notification so that you're notified every single time that I upload. Personally, I find me to be quite a delight, so. Okay guys, so I guess we'll just start with the actual subscription boxes. If you don't know what Petit Vour is, by the way, it is a luxury site. I'm trying to think of exactly how to explain, like an online boutique type thing. Okay, so like they have makeup. They're kind of like a Sephora for vegan makeup. That's all of the makeup, all of everything that's there is vegan and cruelty free. But they have like luxury makeup. They've got skincare, hair care. They've got some like home stuff. They've got clothes, shoes, handbags. If you guys have been around for a long time, you'll know like I got my very first Angela Roy bag from there, which I love Angela Roy bags. I will link both Angela Roy videos down below along with all my other Veganuary videos. I did Veganuary last year, doing it again this year. And yeah, it's kind of like a vegan Sephora, but with more stuff, I guess. Yeah. And they also have a monthly subscription box. It is $18 a month, I think. I don't know. I'll have all of the information listed down below. This is not sponsored. I'm not an affiliate. I would love to be. That'd be cool, but I'm not. I don't get paid for any of this. I don't have a link or anything like that, unfortunately, but I do genuinely like this box. So that's why I'm talking about it. And they send you, it's just like a monthly subscription box, kind of like BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but it's all vegan and cruelty free. All right, so let's get started. This is the December box. It came kind of late in the month, and obviously December is kind of a busy month with Christmas and everything at the end, so I didn't really get a chance to film it. So that's why I'm filming it with this and just doing like this whole big thing. But it comes with the card that explains everything. This one says Mary on it. So in December we've got the Acure Welcome to Skin Wellness Seriously Soothing Cleansing Balm, Peony Extract and Chamomile for normal to sensitive skin. This is what it looks like. And it says, Seriously Soothing Cleansing Cream. Take a deep breath and relax with a soothing blend of argan extract, peony extract, and sunflower amino acids. Rich in hydrating goodness, this gentle creamy cleanser will have your face feeling clean, calm, and collected. And this retails for $5. So next we've got the Seaweed Bath Co. Firming Detox Cream with green coffee bean extract and Awaken. This is what it looks like. And it says Firming Detox Body Cream. This detoxifying and tightening body cream is rich with skin plumping coffee, green tea extract, and moisturizing hyaluronic acid, and this retails for $4. Then we have this, is this Eve Perez? Air Perez. I'm still probably butchering that. Beetroot Cheek and Lip Tint. And it just comes in very simple packaging. This is in the shade Joy. So, well, ruined the packaging there. But, oh, okay. So it's like, it looks like this. Ooh. So I am extremely fair, as you guys can obviously tell, so I won't be using this on my cheeks, but I do think this would be really pretty on the lips. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in my to try drawer. Oh, and what this says. Okay, so using the natural power of beetroot extract, this cheek and lip tint hydrates and nourishes your skin with powerful antioxidants while adding impeccable color, and it retails for $27. So there you go. Just this alone is over the price of the box, which is pretty amazing. The last thing that came in the December box was this Province Apothecary Regenerating Exfoliator and Resurfacing Mask, lavender and green tea. It's pretty big too. And this says, this blend of 6 raw organic ingredients gently polishes the surface of the skin, smoothing and reviving your complexion. The dry formula can be customized by combining with your choice of liquid and massaging into the skin. Love that. Oh, also, just so you guys know, if the sound quality is a little off, I just got a new microphone for Christmas. My other one was broken. I mean, it did the job, but it was definitely broken. So I got a new one for Christmas, and I can't quite figure it out. It's fancier than my other one was. So I'm just using my camera's microphone right now, so please be patient. I'm so sorry. Okay, so now on to the January box, the new one. It just came the other day. This is what the information card looks like for this one. Super pretty flowers. And the first thing I'm grabbing is this Uni Count to Zen Rejuvenating Hand and Body Cream. And this says, a fast-absorbing, non-greasy, natural hand and body cream free of parabens, formaldehyde, synthetic colors, and fragrances, GMOs, PABA, EDTA, and PEGs. I don't know what most of that stuff is, but it's free of it. And retails for $9. I'm always looking for some hand cream. My skin is ridiculously dry, so very excited. So the next thing I am pulling out is this French Girl Charcoal Facial Wash. Says it's Pore Refining Neroli Cleanser. And this says, a creamy, non-foaming face and body wash formulated with sensitive skin in mind. Activated charcoal, green tea extract, soothing aloe, and I can never say this word right. Is it jojoba? That oil with the J's. Gently removes impurities and brings skin back to its natural balance, and it retails for $10. So next we've got the Andalou Naturals, Argan Oil and Shea Styling Cream for flexible hold. Formulating with hydrating antioxidant-rich argan oil, shea butter, and cocoa seed butter, the styling cream is designed to nourish and condition hair to help eliminate frizziness and minimize the appearance of split ends. It retails for $3. I am pretty sure I actually already have this from a previous either Petit Vour or Kinder Beauty box. So I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway. If you guys didn't know, if you haven't been following me for a while, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. Why am I saying we? I'm doing a giveaway. It's me. So this will go in there. Next is this Petite Histoire New York Envie d'Histoire. I am definitely butchering that, but it is a natural perfume oil, and it says, violet glistens while gentle rose dances in soft rain. Powdery orris is the quiet cool whisper of Paris. This little thing retails for $4. This is obviously cannot talk. This is obviously just a sample. Just this little sample. That smells really good. Yeah, it's a little teeny tiny perfume. That's adorable. I actually do like getting these little perfumes because I can just throw them in my handbag if I'm going out somewhere, and then if I forgot to put on perfume or if it wore off, I have perfume. So I actually do like to get the little samples, and then I know if I like it, if I want to buy a big one. So the last thing we have in here is this Habit Bright Lights Nourishing Cream Highlighter, which I'm pretty sure I've got like other highlighters from this brand too. And this says it is a cream-based highlighter with a majorly moisturizing plant-based emollient blend for a silky feel and skin-boosting illumination. And it retails for $28. So let's take a look at this. This is in the shade, wait, Gatsby. It's in the shade Gatsby. Oh, that looks dark. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work for me. It's beautiful. I'm not gonna swatch it because it's dark and it's too dark for me. I know I'm not gonna be able to get any use out of it, so I'm gonna have to give it away. So I'm not gonna swatch it, but yeah, that's what it looks like. You know what? I'll put this in the giveaway too. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed if you wanna be able to, you know, win the giveaway. Like I said, once I reach 1,000 subscribers, then I'll do the giveaway. I'm super excited. I've already got a whole bunch of stuff saved up for it, so yeah. And I keep adding, clearly. All right, so finally we have what I got from Petit Vour. I just picked up some skincare stuff, and it's all from the same brand. So this is from OSEA Malibu is, I believe, what the brand is called. But OSEA is a luxury skincare brand, but it's all vegan and cruelty free. And the reason why I'm showing it to you in this OSEA bag is because the box that this all came in was soaking wet. Like literally soaking wet. This is in no way, shape, or form Petit Vour's fault. This happened in transit. Kind of disappointing, but I was able to get everything out and dry it off. Luckily nothing was ruined, but I did have to take most of the stuff out of the boxes because the boxes were just falling apart. I think one thing was able to stay in its box. So I just threw everything in here because I also got this bag. I got like a whole little like sample kit thing from them. But yeah, so I guess I'll show you that first. I got this bag. It's just a cute little vegan leather makeup bag. So pretty, absolutely love it. It's such good quality. It feels, honestly, like if you didn't tell me this was vegan leather, I wouldn't know because it's very good quality. So I just threw everything in here so that I had a place to put it. So I'll just start showing you. This is the anti-aging body balm. This, I believe, did come with the bag. It's the Body Firmer, Hydrate Invisibly Firm Skin with this Ultra Silky Body Balm. Seaweed and raw virgin coconut oil leaves skin with a dewy, youthful glow. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm very excited to try that out. Then I bought this separately. This didn't come in the bag, but this is the C Vitamin Boost. They've got two sprays. I think one is green and then the red one. The red one, though, from what I was reading, is for drier skin, which is, you guys know, is what I have. So I picked that up. But yeah, because I like to use sprays. I think I've told you guys before. I like to use sprays in my skincare. I saw Rianne HY talking about this trick that she learned from Nye, the esthetician. I think it's pronounced Nye. I could be extremely wrong, but I will link her channel down below because she's a skincare queen. And yeah, so Rianne learned it from her, and then I learned it from Rianne. Like, Rianne learned it from watching her. I learned it from watching Rianne. But it's an amazing trick. So yeah, if you want your skincare to like really go top notch, spray in between your layers. Game changer. I promise, especially if you have dry skin. Game changer. But yeah, so I got that. And then the rest of this stuff I'll do this first. And then everything else came with the bag too. So the other thing I got separate from the bag was this, the firming eye cream. And it was the only thing I could actually somewhat keep in the bag. But this is the eye cream. That is big. Like, that's a decent size for eye cream. Like, usually they're smaller. Like, usually they're more like this size. So, yeah. And I mean, I like eye creams. I know it's kind of a touchy subject. Either you love them or you hate them. Some people say you don't need them. Some people say you do need them. I don't know one way or the other, but I know that I personally like to use an eye cream. I see a difference when I use an eye cream. Maybe I'm just using the right ones. I don't know. But I see a difference when I use an eye cream. I like using eye creams, but if you don't, that's perfectly fine. Do what works for you, but I got this to try, so very excited. Okay, so like I said, everything else that I'm going to show you, there's just a couple more things. Those also came with this bag, like in this little kit. So they're just like the travel sizes. They're not the full sizes, but I'll probably definitely end up picking up the full sizes because this brand is amazing. But the first thing is the OSEA Ocean Cleansing Milk. I think I already actually have a small one of these, but yeah, just some, you know, cleansing milk. Then there is the Essential Hydrating Oil, which is great because I'm actually just about out of my face oil. I like to put just a tiny bit of oil on, especially at night, because that's when my skin gets extra dry. So yeah, love that. This is a decent size too. And then we've got this vitamin C probiotic polish. You activate it with water. It's just a little thing, but you know, still probably a decent amount of stuff in there. Oh yeah. And then the last thing was this, what is this? Advanced Protection Cream. I've also heard really, really good stuff about this, so I'll probably end up picking up the full size, but this is what it looks like. Well, the small one, just this tiny little sample, but I'm very excited to try that too. And then, like I said, you've got this bag. It's got this like dark hunter green on the inside. It's got a little pocket. It's really good quality, a great makeup bag, so very excited to have that. Okay guys, so that was everything for my Petit Vour haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you are at all interested in Petit Vour, I will have all the information again listed down below. It's super simple. You just go to petitvour.com and you sign up for the box, and it's very affordable and it's 1000% worth it. It's a really great box. I'm always happy with the stuff I get. They have such good quality stuff there. Like, they really do have like the best of the best. So yeah, I don't think you'd be disappointed if you tried it out. And you don't even have to like be vegan to like it. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's really, really great, and I really think you guys would enjoy it, so I think you should give it a try. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time, and have a very good Veganuary if you are participating, which, I mean, you should. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!